Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
ठीक वह जो दिहाड़ी करके खा रहा है वो मर जाएगा। मारा पर के दुकानदार है जिसकी किराया देना है, भाड़ा देना है, अपने घर के खर्चे चलाने हैं, इवा में कच्चे आइटम ले रहे हैं, फल फ्रूटे ले रहे हैं। ये भी उच्च 4 घंटे में तो बिकने दे रहा जी, पूरा दिन में बिकेगा। ये भी मंगाना पड़े, मजबूरी है, लोग मांगे सामान बिकेगा तो चाहिए 2 रुपये बढ़ेंगे हमने। ये 4 घंटे में के बेच लेंगे हमें।
Angry over not being able to make their ends meet, residents of over 8 villages across Jind, Kaithal and Hisar districts in Haryana have decided to boycott the lockdown imposed by the state government by opening their shops. While most villagers say that stepping out of their homes to earn their meals was the only option left, others say that breaching the lockdown is a way of boycotting the ruling party and its leaders who have backstabbed them. Many have decided that the state should pay them a daily wage if they want them to stay indoors. As part of the boycott, the residents of these villages have even been opposing the opening up of COVID care and testing centers in their villages.
चाय भी पियाई, पानी भी पियाई, बेटा उनकी इज्जत करी, सुथरा फिर बेटा हमारा सेंटर को ना बनवाना चाहते, हम नाराज हैं बेटे सेंटर पर। बेटा मोदी हमारी एक बात भी नहीं सुन रहा।
We are at Songal village in Kaithal district of Haryana, and here the people are not fearful of COVID at all. What they tell us is that there is no COVID and it is just a propaganda, it is just a conspiracy by the Modi government to tarnish the image of the farmers who have been protesting in Tikri or in Hisar. We are at the local dispensary in the village where a team of doctors had come a week ago to set up a COVID care center. This is after the cases of COVID and deaths due to COVID-like symptoms started increasing in villages of Haryana. However, the locals asked them to leave the spot as they did not want any COVID care center, any doctor or any sort of testing to happen here in their village. Many of them believe that it is due to the testing of COVID that it spreads. Many of them also told the print that when one person gets tested, that person is assured to die. Some are even reluctant to go and visit the hospitals if they are falling sick, which is the reason why the death toll is on the rise in the rural areas of Haryana.
Many villagers even lashed out at the state authorities, including Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar, who along with his party members inaugurated a COVID facility in Hisar on 16th May, and Home Minister Amit Shah for conducting election rallies amid the pandemic.
लॉकडाउन तोड़ा तो मतलब खट्टर कहते हैं तो हम खच्चर फद्दू राजा, खट्टर नहीं है फद्दू राजा खच्चर। लॉकडाउन तोड़ा उती अंसार में, फिर लॉकडाउन तोड़ा आईजी ने, फिर लॉकडाउन तोड़ा प्रशासन ने जो 10-11 हज़ार खड़े उसकी कोठी पे आईजी की पे। लॉकडाउन तोड़ा उनती हमने नहीं तोड़ा है।
देखो, कोरोना फैलाने प्रदेश का मुख्यमंत्री आता है तो हम मांग करते हैं प्रशासन से कि 144 धारा का उल्लंघन किया है और कोरोना फैलाने के लिए आया, जो कोरोना की धारा वो भी लगाई जाए मुख्यमंत्री के ऊपर, 144 का उल्लंघन का पर्चा दर्ज किया जाए। पहले मुख्यमंत्री पे होना चाहिए। नहीं, बिल्कुल दी है प्रशासन को, हमने दी है, हिसार प्रशासन दे रखी है, लेकिन प्रशासन
Now we are at Kranti Park in Hisar, where there are more than 7,000 farmers who are here protesting against the FIRs that were filed against farmers on the 16th of May. While there are talks going on between the authorities and the farmers, one of the protesters collapsed. Instead of taking him to the hospital, he has been brought here and has been wrapped in a tricolor flag. It doesn't seem to deter the farmers who have been protesting here, who don't seem to back off until and unless their demands are fulfilled.
The farmers had initially planned to do a ghero of the Commissioner's office, demanding a withdrawal of 300 FIRs, but their demands were accepted by the authorities and the protest was called off.
With Ananya Bhardwaj, this is Reeti Agarwal reporting for The Print.